As compared to other countries, we are backward. So if he will come back, he can inspire millions of people to be together, to do good works. So I would like to request our government to take him back to the society because we need them.
आप लोग कैसे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हो आज?
So it's the birthday of our spiritual master, Saint Dr. Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh Chensa. He has taught us to plant maximum trees. So we are doing tree plantation and we celebrate his birthday by doing welfare activities like serving needies and tree plantation by donating blood. So these are the various activities that we are doing from time to time. So we are following his guidance and we are getting so much of happiness when we follow his guidance. So these are the guidance that we are following from time to time so that we can serve humanity, we can help people.
मैम क्या आप ही प्लांट कर रहे हो या कोई और भी प्लांट?
No, there are lakhs of followers that are doing that in their cities, in their villages. So they are running campaigns of tree plantation today so that they can give their spiritual master a very beautiful gift by planting maximum trees. So we have made so many records in the past as well, and we have breaked so many records, and we are registered in Asia Book of Records, India Book of Records. So we are doing activities from time to time. There are around 134 welfare works that we are doing in our day-to-day life, and we are following that in everyday life. So whenever we find any needy person on roadside, or when someone comes to us for the help, so we are ready to help them 24/7, and we feel so happy to do that.
Ma'am, everybody want to celebrate the birthday with cutting cakes and other things.
See, everyone is like living their life for their own, but the best thing is when we can help others to celebrate our birthday. So today is my mother-in-law birthday as well, so we are doing tree plantation and we are distributing foods to the needy. So I guess that is the real happiness.
सेंट डॉक्टर गुरमीत राम रहीम सिंह चेंसा के लिए क्या कहना चाहोगे मैम?
So I have no words for him, like I can't explain it in words. So because we are living a beautiful life just because of him, so we have find a new reason to live life just because of him. So I think I started believing him from my childhood. So the way he is teaching us throughout, that helps us to live a beautiful life, and he is our real inspiration, and we are happy to be his mentor. He is our mentor, and we are very happy to be his followers.
After 2017 also you are believing on him as?
Yeah, because we can't judge anyone until we don't know him personally. So we know him from our childhood. We know each and every activity of Dera Sacha Soda. So we have firm faith in him and we are following him. There is no reason to unfollow him after 2017 because we know him since our childhood, and he is like a father to us. He guides us in each and every step of our life. So he is very important part of our life. In fact, I will say he is our life.
What you want to say about the allegations on him?
So allegations, we can't comment on those who don't know him. So allegations are like the person that is famous, that is loved by more than 5 crore people. People will start to make him low. So the people that are not happy to see him successful, I guess those are the people that are drug mafia, those who love to distribute drugs, and those who love to make people addict of bad things. They don't like Saint Dr. MSG. That's why they have done all these things so that no one can get more successful in good things.
मैम 4 साल होने वाले हैं, about 4 years to go. सेंट डॉक्टर MSG अभी सोसाइटी में नहीं है. What impact on society now?
See, if you will see the rate of drug addict people and the people those consume alcohol, the people are going to increase day by day. So there is a very large impact, I can say. His absence is making people more unhappy, unhealthy, because when he was there, he was doing spiritual concerts every Sunday, and millions, I can say thousands of people were taking method of meditation, and they were getting rid of the bad habits that they have. But now, since it's been 4 years, there is no spiritual concert organized where people can take method of meditation and they can get rid of the bad habits that they have. So this is the major impact that I can see in last 4 years. So I guess his comeback is necessary. He should come back, and everyone should take step for his comeback, because everyone need a spiritual master like him. I don't think there is no one else in the world like him. So he is the need of society. Everyone need him.
Ma'am, what do you think? How many educated people associated with him?
I guess it will be more than 5 to 6 crore followers that are following him till now. And they are having firm faith in him. No one can low down their faith in his spiritual master. They are following him the same way they were following in the past. So that doesn't affect us.
What do you want to appeal to government?
So I would like to request our government, please put your efforts to take him came back into the society, so that we can build a better world, a better society. Our youth should be focused on good things instead of focusing on clubs, bars and parties. We should be one. We should be one, and we should take our steps to take our country forward.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're most welcome.